Hello everyone, myself Veerabhadra Swami. Today I am going to explain about the IoT based weather station project. Let's see the abstract of our project. Nowadays, importance of climate monitoring is great in many ways. Here, the climate monitoring is necessary to maintain the good crop growth for agriculture sectors like farmers and ensure safe working conditions in industrial areas, and also the peoples to plan their day-to-day daily activities plans like that. Constant growth in technical made the process of scanning environmental parameters much easier than in the past. These sensors are electronic devices that are widely used compute different normal physical and environmental parameters. Here generally we have to make a weather station is more expensive and very time consuming, but in the replace of that weather stations we have to introduce these IoT based weather stations is very simple, and it will construct or prepare very easily with the use of internet of things. And in this we have to use the sensors to measure the weather conditions, and these sensors are less costs, and we have to assign these with very easily, and it will link up to mobiles with the use of blink application. We have to see in the weather conditions with our own mobiles. Let's see the problem statement. The weather monitoring system provides only the present conditions of a particular field, which will not provide the exact condition of a particular area or city. Generally, the weather stations are covered only the weather conditions updated certain city or certain villages, but it won't provide a certain area weather conditions. In our project, we have to overcome from this problem. We introduce these IoT based weather stations. It will very simply and carry with us very easily. And one more main problem is ordinary methods or devices very more expensive, don't have much data measuring accuracy, and also any abnormality conditions it won't provide any alert signals also, like strong thunders and winds etc. in emergency conditions. To solution for this problem, we use these IoT based weather stations. We have to carry with us very simply, and it will always provided with the Wi-Fi to our mobiles, so it will update the data conditions hour by hour. It will very easy to us monitoring the weather conditions. The purpose of weather station system is to detect the weather condition and record it, stored in the weather stations, and after that displays to the users in various weather parameters such as temperature, humidity, pressure, etc. This system makes us the sensors for detecting, monitoring weather parameters, and collects the information from the sensors, and it will pass us to blink application to user via Wi-Fi signals. The scope of our project is we have to set a boundary range because the Wi-Fi signals are very less place to connect with users. That's why we have to set a certain range. In case the user gone out of the range, it will disconnect. So that's why the user can carry these instrument with us. In user point of view, they can view the data of temperature, humidity and pressure, and the system point of view it will works the collects the weather conditions, and it will stores and it will share the real time to the users. These are objectives of our diagram. The first one is the design a facility that can help user to access data in certain range, what you have told before this. The develop weather stations that can help user to plan their day-to-day activities, and also the test capabilities effectiveness in our weather stations is very accuracy, and it will provide the data with efficient manner. This is the block diagram of our project. The left side what you have seen, the Arduino UNO is placed middle of the diagram, and it will receive the temperatures and humidity values to it, and it will connect to the Wi-Fi ESP8266 to Blink applications. It will shares the data to through it, and the user can view the data with the help of Blink application. And in right side diagram, it was the framework of our project. Then the weather station will passes the database through an app, Blink applications, and user can view the data in that application. And the requirements of our projects was generally the functional requirement. The functional requirements means it will the behavior of a input output process in our weather station shall be able to record every condition of a weather, like temperature, humidity and pressure, and also stores the data in digital form. And after that it will display the data in user mobiles applications, and it will also measure the accuracy of the weather monitoring, and it will provide the average, minimum and maximum temperature values read day by day, and it also provide the monthly precipitations also. Then the system will be retrieve the current weather conditions and display on the Blink application. Here the technical issues also is there in our project. When the user is cross the certain range of the Wi-Fi signals, sometimes it will be disconnect or couldn't refresh, but most probably the we use these projects, it will very useful because it couldn't connect any internet, it will only connect with the Wi-Fi. We have to carry these projects with easily with us. That's why in most cases these technical issues won't repeat again. And non-functional attributes, generally non-functional attributes describes the these are judge the operation of a system, not the behaviors. Here the reliability of our project make sure the application works with consistency and reliable also, and it is also availability with us through Wi-Fi connections. Here we use the Arduino UNO and ESP8266 sensors to connect with the Blink application, so the user can check conditions of weather very easily. Maintainability means the in our project the attribute that will help maintain with very easily and clean code. It will also very easy to maintain it. And reusability, in case the any sensors will be damages or any problem is occurs on the chipsets, and we have to update our project very easily because these sensors are also reusability, and it will be able to purchase in market very easily. Next one is design constraints. In weather station, design constraints have to include the software and hardware parts. The hardware parts is microcontroller, Arduino UNO DHT11, Wi-Fi modulo ESP8266, light dependent resistor also. In IoT based weather station, the light is a portable. This is also easily carry with a remote location installation, and these requirements of our sensors and boards assign with the less amount and compared to existing instruments market, hence enabling to use the solar cells also to power supply. This not only cuts down a cost, but it also leave the monitoring system in remote. Here I use the microcontroller for this project is Arduino UNO. It is one of the microcontroller is an system used within project, behaves like a little computer, and it is also one or more CPUs along with the microcontrollers. It will handle the input and output of the our system. And this is a open source microcontroller tool connected with the hardware sensors using the Internet of Things based on the microchip like 80 mega 328p. Generally the microcontroller means it will interact with the other computers like hardware parts to software parts. Here we use these Arduino UNO in our project. This is the block diagram of our project. Here we use the battery and also ESP8266 Wi-Fi modulo, Arduino UNO and DHT11. This is the circuit diagram and the performance requirements of our project. In this system, the performance is very good and updatable conditions also. We have designed all modules as well as each every component were assembled. The main thing that is testing of each modulo carried out successfully, and we also use the sensors very effectively retrieve and easy environment stored in files. The files is updated automatically with through the Blink application, and a graphical chart also provided analytical patterns. These carries the very disciplined manner. So we have to conduct some more same kind of experiments to real weather conditions. The user interface will be very friendly. The interface of a Blink application is displays the name and time date also. The set of Wi-Fi connections in starting with the user login into the application. In that it will displays to choose an option with temperature, humidity and pressures. Here what we want to saw the temperature signals with Fahrenheit or Celsius. We have to choose that one, and also it displays the average monthly weather conditions. Also changes the interfaces options like temperature reading, Celsius, Fahrenheit, humidity, pressures. Like these are the diagrams for user interface. In left side use the Blink application, and right side is the Arduino UNO chipset microcontroller. Then we have to move on the data flow diagrams. Generally data flow diagrams it will provide the how data process will be occur in the projects. Here the user can want the data, he have to refresh with the help of Blink application. The weather station is provide the information to users. Generally this is the context of system diagram and the zero level diagram also. This is the zero level diagram, and after that the level 1 DFD is the weather station gets the details and store the data in the weather station. When the user wanted to saw the weather conditions, he have to refresh the Blink application with the help of mobile. Then it will be always connected to Wi-Fi with the weather station. That's why when user is refresh the Blink application, the weather station will provide the data through the Wi-Fi module to Blink application. Then finally the user can view the data. Here what I have mentioned in level 1 diagram, and this is the use case diagram. Here the use case diagrams mean it will describes the high level function and scope of the systems. Here it will mention the users and actors of the project. Here the weather station and admin user. This user is the actor. First of all, the user can log in with the use of Blink application to view the status. Here the admin is give the permission to user, and after that the user added into the application. Then he have to refresh the application. The weather station can be updated the synopsis. Finally the user can view the weather condition with the mobile application. And this is the structure diagram for IoT weather station. Finally the testings. The testing is the aim of a system testing process that determine all defects in our project. The program was subjected to set of tests input various observations. Here the two types of testing we tested: unity testing and integration testing. Generally the unity testing is undertaken modulo has been created successfully reviewed. In order to test the signal module, we need to provide a complete environment besides the modulo with required. Here we have to test the one path is user testing login. The user can use the Blink application with login. The user once log in with their mail IDs, and we have to set the Wi-Fi number what we have used in our project. The enter of Wi-Fi code, it will provide the access and connection with the our weather station. And after that, user account, we have to set some certain like temperatures and humidity pressures with the Celsius or foreign heats, like user can have to choose. Finally, data storing and transferring. Here the admin observes the data updation to users, storing the conditions are correct or wrong. It passes the info to user. Finally, these testings are also successful. After that, integration testing. In this testing, we test various project module, the providing the input, and here we use the top down integration testing method. In this, we have to divide a certain modules in higher order to lower order. First of all, the first level firstly the sensors, they will perform accurate calculated weather conditions, passes to next level data to users. Here we use the Arduino UNO microcontrollers Wi-Fi modules ESP8266. These sensors are also performs well known. After that, second level of the data stored database. Here the stores the data and passes to users with correctly or not. In this case, this is also successfully completed testing. Then in third level, the Wi-Fi connections, always with the Blink application, it will connect or not. We have to check in this level. And finally, the user can view the interface. Blink application is friendly, represented the date and time, temperature, humidity, and pressures, etc. on screen. And applications of the details. Data are available on Android app, the first application of our project, and prior weather alert and possible useful to agriculture sector. So it is very useful to agriculture sector, and it is very cheaper than the highly expensive weather stations, and we have to carry these very easily. And advantages of our project, we are monitoring project using Arduino UNO, fully automated. It doesn't require any human attention also. And here the prior alert of weather conditions are also provided, and low cost. It will very effort and accuracy data passing. Self protection also is there, and smart way to monitor the environment using Internet of Things. And this is the approximate budget what we have calculated for this project is 3200 approximately. Thanking you, sir. Finally, this is our project IoT based weather station. Thanking you.